This is the Insta360 Flow AI powered smartphone gimbal, and I have made it in my in-depth review to understand if this gimbal will be making in your smartphone gimbal filmmaking production. So let's start firstly with my passion, Alfa Romeo cars, especially my Spider. And this is an one-band show. Welcome back to the Mauro Films car review channel, and today we have a beautiful example of Italian car manufacturing. The Alfa Romeo Spider 916 with this beautiful 17-inch alloy wheels and black interior and amazing silver paint. Yes, I'm presenting this Alfa Romeo because it's my own personal car, and I'm being followed straightly by the InstaFlow, and I'm ready to share my experience, what I got with my car, and the complete actual amazing deal that I got for it. This is the InstaFlow, and this is the Alfa Romeo Spider 916. How I did it? Well, firstly you have to download the Insta360 app for the InstaFlow. Turn on the gesture feature. You can select the record only gesture or actual record and tracking feature. Once you face palm the gesture to the gimbal, it will automatically start recording and track yourself while talking. For that amazing sound, I have added a small wireless harmonic microphone, so you will be getting an all-in-one solution for your solo filmmaking, even car reviews. If you're more for a travel vlogging and filmmaker, well, you have this great extendable arm, and it will help you a lot to get an extended reach and put more in your frame. And if you need it, also raise your point of view to actually get you a cinematic low angle while filming upside down. Cinematics ready. And here's this really small foldable gimbal, and you'll be asking, where is the actual tripod? I have to carry one. Well, you don't have, because you slide it down and then you slide it a little more and you'll be revealing 3 legs. And that's your tripod, hidden inside the smartphone gimbal. And when you don't need it, you just unfold it and ready to go. And yes, there's also an 1/4 screw mount if you want to add this on a bigger tripod. So really smooth. And yes, the smartphone holder is detachable, and you'll be having a 3 to 4 seconds of an turn-on experience, and we are ready to go. Isn't that amazing? With the double click feature, you will be switching from portrait to landscape mode, and yes, it's just 2 press of a button. You don't have to actually switch your smartphone manually or rotate it. Press 2 times and you'll be switching in landscape cinematic mode. The control panel is touch sensitive, and rotating on it with your thumb, you will be able to select one of the modes: follow, pan follow, FPV or auto mode. On the back there is a standard trigger with the added functionality. The actual auto ring is your zoom or FPV mode rocker. When in an interesting location, time-lapse mode is my favorite mode to shoot, and gives you the option for a fixed angle left to right, right to left, or custom track the time-lapse. The tracking of this gimbal works amazingly well, and I was able to be tracked without any problems, also in different scenarios with other people walking around and actually direct sunlight hit or actually in some kind of shade. And in this creator kit you will also getting a spotlight that you can attach straight on your gimbal with USB-C power. Then you will be getting an additional USB-C power cable for your smartphone and connect it to actually charge your smartphone. The additional handle that I will be talking later, you will be getting your standard USB-C to charge your smartphone gimbal, and actually a great storage pouch. Forgot to mention Type-C lightning cable and straps. The spotlight will be really handy for low light shooting and when you need that extra punch of light in your face. And yes, you can control 3 brightness modes and 3 Kelvin values. The gimbal acts also as your power bank and your phone will be charged while turned on. The stabilization is amazing and I didn't find any problems, jitters or robotic movements. Option for a panorama mode photo is great if you want to extend and enlarge your view in your vlogs for an extended panorama shot. You can select some amazing filters if you want to blur in already and color preset to your videos. The Shot AI Power Assistant will help you to shoot a better video, giving you suggestions based on your asked type of filming. Or you can select one of the amazing presets and start shooting with the daily suggestions and moves like tour in the city, beach people, food, family, and the list goes on and on. The menu settings offers you outstanding selection of fine-tunings and options. You will be able also to choose some filters to reshape your face and look younger. You can use the app also for live streaming, make an tilt shape video, and dolly zoom. There's also the hoop mode to actually have a full track of your basketball card while playing. I am really not in basketball, so I will skip that. The outer back is transparent, making the battery and the parts visible. Pretty neat and unique. In the creator package we'll also get that grip cover. And yes, if you have bigger hands, this will be really helpful and actually recommend to put this on all the time. That said, this gimbal is really a refresh in the gimbal market segment. And this should be kind of one of the first picks if you like that all AI built-in stuff that's around this smartphone, gimbal, app, and the whole combination makes it really stand out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a video, and see you on my next one.